Now Santos.
Wala pa yung bonus.
By Santos. Now Tumbado. Bensan masuk Santos. Landicho, masuk. Kueto, masuk. Tumbado. Now Tumbado. Pasu Resho. Pasu Dano. Now Tumbado. Tumbado. Space Pedaya. Tumbado. 6 minutes remaining. Now Bekson. Pasu Santos. Now Santos. 10 seconds shoot. Pasu Nobade.
Hindi sasamputin mo sa susunod, sayang.
Now, Landicho, Pasu Buenos, Nagag, Ribangay. Benson, no Benson, Big, Pasu Pangaliban, Big, Benson, Pasu, Benson, Kaboom. Benson, 3.
Ito, anak, mapagpagkain ko naman. Bibisitong ka na dun.
10 seconds to shoot. Now rest. There's a foul. Foul, there's number 6 on the foul. First personal foul, first team foul. For the ball, ratio. Pass to Tumbado. Pass to Kueto. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Landicho. Stop. Grab. Nagad. Ribangay. Now Benson. Pasu Pangaliban. Good for 2. Score. Deadlock. 11. Now Resho. Pasu Tumbado. Pasu Landicho. No. Benson. Pasu Mendoza from the perimeter. Nagag Ribangay. Kueto. Pasu Landicho. Stop. Direct. Come on. Landicho. Now, Pangaliban, Pasu, Baku Pangaliban, Pasu Benson, stop, Direct, Nagag, Ribangay. Now Landicho, penetrate, there's a foul. Substitution, Magnaye for Dayap. Bago po tayo pumasok ng court, kailangan po tayo nakatake na. Maraming salamat po. First personal foul of Santos and second team foul of Rosario 1. First throw, Landicho is in the basket. The second throw is in the basket. Complete 2-point play by Ivan Jairus Landicho.
score natin, 11-16.
Magnaye, good for two.
Sa mga Malabon.
Ten seconds to shoot. Now, Alpazan. Penetrate, pasok Kitain, good for two. By Angelo Kitain. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 6. 7. Substitution. Punta lang for Magnaye. First personal foul of the night. Second team foul, Malabon 1.
Okay, maglalaban po dito, Malabon at saka Rosarian. Game 2 semifinals po ito.
First round, Santos in the basket. The second round is in again.
Sir, focus tayo, sir.
Nugget, rebound by Tupado, pass to Landicho. Now, Landicho, pass to Kitain. Back to Landicho. 10 seconds to shoot. Jump ball. Rosarian one basketball substitution. Lumibaw for Panganiban.
Hoy, ba? Sinagsama.
Now Sandra, pass to Lumibaw, pass to dia Sandra. Back to backcourt violations and referee Gerald Jericho Anderson. Stop! Do not! Come on!
Mamay naka-triple sa anak ko, wala ka kasi silbi.
Stop! Do not! Come on! Ace Benson! Green!
Anak mo na rin yan. Oo, ay, bagoy pa ka.
Now Labicho.
Baba naman standard na.
Now Kitain.
Ay! Ano tayo, sinong ina mo?
Now Santos. Check by Labicho. Now Labicho. 2 shots given. Thrower.
Kaya rinig naman ako lagi sa video.
First drop Labicho. First race in the basket. The second draw is out of the basket. Now Bengson, pass to Diasanta, back to Bengson. Pass to Lubibaw, pass to Jeremy Bengson, stop, you're out, come on! Bengson, three! Number, rebound by Kings possession, substitution. Esteban for Landicho. Remaining time, 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining.
Ano yung pustahan?
Now the flying game! Rebound by Benson.
Okay, susunod na kasi ako siyempre natakot.
Good for two by Ace Benson. Iba na talaga.
Ako nahihilo kay Kuya eh.
30 seconds remaining. Now Alpasar. Paso to Palo. Paso na dito. 10 seconds to shoot. Paso. Kitay. Check by Lumino. Now Lumino. Good for two. 13 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining.
5 seconds.
Now. There's a foul. Foul, there's number 8.
Okay. Third quarter? Second quarter?
Basta doon na natin papa.
Bukal nga, nagpapantong ko.
Ay, hatid ko kayo sa dulo.
Now, Tumbalo. Pass to. Nugget, rebound by. The consider. Now, Santos. There's a foul. Foul, there's number 1, pushing foul. First personal foul of Kitainen. First team foul, number 1. Now, Pekson.
Sabay ka na sa akin.
Crossing to the circle
Kaya
line.
lang mamaya pang gabi.
10 seconds to shoot. No Cipres. Paso Santos. No Santos. Penetrate. Nugget. Parang by Santos. Good for 2.
Papa! Papa! Doon na natin sa pagkakas.
Hellball. Out of possession. Rosario 1 basketball.
Mamaya po.
Now Pekson. Official score 25-26. 1 point lead by Malabon 1. Now Santos. Jersey number 14, illegal pick. First personal foul. First team foul. Ball in the ball. Now. Stop. Drop. Double. Let's go. 3. Now. Pekson. Paso Santos. No Santos. Pass to Cipres. Stop. Drop. Nagad. Rebound by Landicho. Now Landicho. Paso dalat. Nagad. Rebound by Pekson. Now Pekson. Foul jersey number 11 Tumbalo. Hit hand. First personal foul and second team foul.
Oh, ay lang doon ang tawag ko. Ayoko na. Boy, nandiyan din pala ang ano eh. Oh, kulang ang ano. Kulang ang 3 studios. Kulang. Ba't wala kayo? Sana isa pa.
First try see the basket.
Record lang. Uy, pag nirecord, bura-burahin mo yung mga salita.
The second throw, Pekson. Isin again, substitution.
Basta dami views mo sa imig ni Dita Kite. Huwag mong
Magnaye for Tumbalo.
Hindi naman yun pansin pag pinapanood mo.
Ay, lapit ko sa ano.
Now, Landicho. Paso Esteban, stop. Grab. No good. Rebound by Santos. Now Santos. Paso Pekson. Now Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Big shot. Paso Pekson. Another rebound again with the shot. Another rebound by Magnaye. Pass to Landicho. There's a foul. Foul, there's number 5, blind foul. Cipres. First personal foul, second team foul. Bola the ball, Esteban, paso lang dito. Stop, good out. Nagad, rhythm by. Keep time, check by, Cipres. No Cipres. Good control by Santos. Score, deadlock, 29-all. Naulang dito. Pasok Itayin, stop, Durant, Nagad, rebound by Davidson, Malalim, Itayin, pasok lang dito. Naulang dito. Check by Santos. Pasok lang dito. Good control. Malabon 1, remaining time 6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Official score 31-29, 2-point lead by Rosario 1. Ang paligang ito ay sa atin ng Sangguniang. Next game, Sana versus 11th Street. Maulang dito. Dayak, good portion by Mr. Minus Dayak. Score, deadlock ng tuwalaw. Now Santos, pass to. Now Santos. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 22. 45. Magnaye. First personal foul. 13 foul. First round Santos. He's out of the basket. The second draw, Mr. Santos. See the basket. James Memo, 1-point lead by Rosario 1.
Okay, lamang na po ang Rosarian. 31-32.
Now Rancho. Pass to Landicho. Now Landicho. Pass to Daya, pass to Rancho, back to Landicho. Stop, Durant. Nagad, rebound by Santos. Now Santos. Good control by Angelo Santos.
Kailangan nilang manalo para isang laro pa.
Naulat dito. Pass to Resyo. There's a foul, jersey number 14. Illegal is offense. Side ball, inbound. Tumbado for Dayak. Huweta for Esteban. Malabanan for Texan. For jersey number 14, Texan, you are second personal foul, 13 foul. Ball the ball, Resyo. Pass to Landicho. Pass to Tumbado. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Resyo. Pass to Huweta, stop, Durant, another rebound by Magnaye, fake shot. Good control by Zaire Magnaye. Mamalabanan, paso Santos. Stop.
No touch! No touch! No touch!
10 seconds shoot.
Replay mo nga
There's a foul.
Wala yun
Ano yan?
Sa sapatos niya tumama.
Challenge.
Foul jersey number 17, holding foul. First personal foul and warning for penalty, Malabon 1.
Hindi sinasalit. Hindi sinasalit. Patay.
Nice one.
First round Cipres. He's out of the basket.
Ay, mamaya ako yung upo, ha? Upo muna, Billy.
The second row is in the basket.
Anak nga daw ni Billy yan. Tinuro kay Billy yan. Ako yan. Bang, bang! Ay. Yan na, isa pa, parang JM.
Nagad, rebound by Santos. Now Santos, stop, drop. Nagad, rebound by Resyo, paso lang Dicho. Pasok. Nobody. Substitution. Panganiban for Cypress.
Pala naman yung hapon.
Ay, maganda na.
For the ball, Malabanan, pass to Texon.
Wala akong pakalam. Refer sa akin.
Now, Malabanan, Nagad, rebound by Resyo, paso tumbado. Paso lang Dicho. Now lang Dicho, paso tumbado. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 6. Illegal is offense. No shots given to Mr. Tumbado. Faction, you are. Second personal foul and warning for penalty. Rosario 1.
Pension, di pension.
Baka nga siya na may kick.
First throw is in the basket.
Ang sasali sa amin.
The second throw
Nice one,
is in again. Complete. This 2-point play. Deadlock 35 ball.
Ito, mga bakla, hiya na naman.
Out of bounds.
Early bird. Touches. Nasa na yung bumi?
Now Santos.
Wala pa yung bunga.
Good for two by Santos.
Lapor sa si Angelo.
Magkahapit, kailangan nila mga alloy para makaisa pa.
Now Tumbado.
Nice one!
Good for two by
DM, tumbado.
Brian Mitch Tumbado.
Ay, yung isang...
Si Bo ay bien.
Diyos ko nga arte ng pangalan niya.
Now Santos. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 45.
Sige, okay lang na. Sige, rin.
Substitution. Texan for Rubio.
Labas daw, Pengson! Ay,
Second personal foul of jersey number 45.
akala ko si
Brennan
Andres,
T.
si Pengson na nalalabas.
Basta.
Ano, nag-seminar dito. Dito.
Santos, susumulit mani!
First drop Santos.
Tao sa iban eh. Alam ang kwento.
Out of the basket. The second throw of Mr. Santos.
Tawa sa iba ni sa mani.
Is in the basket. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Now, Cueto stop. Drop. Nagad. Rebound by Petsan. Paso Santos. Good for two by Angelo Santos.
40-37.
May laro.
Lamang pa rin pa Rosarian. Nandito.
Out of bounds. Substitution. Puntalan for Magnaye.
Sino yung maliit? Yung maliit.
Now Santos. Fake. Pass to Pangmaniban. Pass to Malabanan. Pass to Texon. 10 seconds remaining. Panganiban stop. Durant. Nagad. Rebound by Resyo. Pass to Puntalan. Pass to Landicho. Now Landicho. Pass to Cueto. Stop. Durant. Nagad. Rebound by Santos.
Pag nag-change court ulit yan, tamo.
Tagal ka sa labos.
Now Texan. Pass to Texan agad. Rebound by ball. Substitution. Mendoza for Malaban. Itani for Cueto. Now Landicho stop, drop, Nagad, rebound by Tumbado. Pass to Itay, pass to Landicho. 10 seconds to shoot, now Itay, stop, drop, Nagad, rebound by. White ball, substitution. Almasan for Resio.
Abang haba na
Para the ball, Santos, pass to. Now Quezon, stop, drop, Nagad, rebound by. Foul. Foul jersey number 8, holding foul. Penalty. Santos for second personal foul and box in, penalty situation.
Nandiri po kami, bigla ako blessing ko na siya. Shoot PM! Ay!
Ismael Amat po. Hindi po ito naka-live.
Second by City Muscat. Score 40-38, 2-1 lead by Rosario 1. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. Warren for kick. Los Santos stop, Durant, Santos, 3. Now Landicho, 1 minute remaining. Now Landicho.
Nanay ni Magnayo.
Pass ball.
Alin po?
Yung nanay ni Magnayo.
Yes lang nagtanong.
Pinasabi lang kami yung naghahanap daw ng
Foul jersey number 28. Illegal use of hands, Pangaliban. First personal foul and penalty.
Ano po?
Both teams, penalty situation. First drop, Landicho. Is in the basket. Is in again. Now, Benson. Back to Benson. Stop. Durant. Nagad. Rebound by Almasan. 47 seconds remaining. Now, Almasan. Nagad. Rebound by. Now, Benson. Pass to Pangaliban. 35 seconds remaining. Now, Santos. Nagad. Rebound by Almasan. 24 seconds remaining. There's a foul, jersey number 6. Lucky foul. First personal foul of Almasan. Penalty. 21 seconds remaining. 21 seconds. First Royce out of the basket.
Ay, gusto ng mani!
Substitute Pulidra. First, see the basket.
Nandito niya kanina, umambol.
The second round. Is in again. Time out. Time out. Malabot 1. 21 seconds remaining. 21.
Ashley, yun yung naka-item kagabi na kami nakakita.
Seconds remaining. 21 seconds. Ball the ball. Landicho. Pass to Kitay. Back to Landicho. Now Landicho. 10 seconds remaining. Now Landicho. Pass the ball, pangaliban, pass to Santos. Pass to Quezon, stop, Iraq. Official score 48-42.
Okay, third quarter po tayo.
One the ball, Resio, pass to Landicho, pass to Cueto, pass to Dayap. Now the Cueto stop, drop, taboo. Now Santos. Stop, drop, no good, rebound by Tumbado. Pass to Landicho, pass to Resio. Check by Mendoza, pass to Santos. No good, rebound by Dayap. Now Texan, Nagad, rebound by Nagad, rebound by Resio, pass to now Cueto, stop, drop, Nagad, rebound by Arbao, change possession.
Nabasa ang bola. Shoutout po sa ating 10 million.
Now Santos.
Santos, fires. Ano po, ganyan ka rin.
There's a foul. Foul jersey number 17. It had second personal foul of Resio. First team foul.
Makakamat na isuyo po, pa-share po ng live natin.
First try in the basket. The second throw. Mr. Santos. South. Free throw violation.
Free throw violation.
Bawal po natin pasukin yung broken line.
Papalat ka ka
Resio, pass to Landicho. Pass to Tumbado. Now Santos, stop, drop. Nagad, rebound by Pangaliban, stop, drop. Nagad again, rebound by Tumbado. Pass to Landicho. Pass to Cueto. Pass to Tumbado. Pass to Cueto, stop, drop. Nagad, rebound by. Now Santos. Pangaliban, stop, drop, kaboom! Pangaliban, 3! Official score 52-45, 7.8 by Rosario 1. Now 10 seconds to shoot. Now Resio, pass to there's a foul. Foul jersey number 6. Thanks on. Substitution. Magdaye for Dayap. Thanks on your third personal foul. First team foul. Rosarian 1.
Ay, ba, hindi ka makahaman eh. Tamo. Kanong kanina.
Bigay, babatigan.
Hindi, bakit maning ano na yun? Ano na iba
The
niyo?
second throw.
Shoutout po kay Michael Mercado at Joel Bumbagyan.
Sin the basket. 52-46.
52-46. Naman po ang Rosarian. Ang kapitan ni Angela Santos.
Illegal pick, jersey number 4, Mendoza. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Shoutout po kay Boss Noriel Cabello Eranzo. Okay, nandito.
No. Landicho. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Rachel stop. Block. Naman din ang kanyang bago. Good job by Brianne Tumbado.
Shoutout kay Jim Hernandez.
6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Now Pengsan, back to Pengsan, stop, the wrap. Kaboom! Pengsan, green! Out of bounds, Rosarian 1 basketball. Now Pengsan. Pass to Pengsan, back to Pengsan. Pass to Mendoza, good for 2. Vision is gone, 57-48. Now, Arban substitution. Rubio for Mendoza. Now Tumbado. Pasok Cueto, stop, grab. Kaboom! Cueto, now Pangaliban, stop, grab. Followed by Pengsan, good for 2. Now Tumbado. Pasok Cueto, stop, grab. Kaboom! Santos,
62-54. Lamang pa rin po ang Rosarian. Ang kapununan ni Santos.
now, stop, grab, kaboom! Santos, real! 65-54, 11-point lead by Rosarian 1. Now, Landicho, stop, grab, kaboom! Landicho, real! Santos, nag-rebound by. Now, Landicho, pasok Cueto. Pasok Cueto, stop, grab, nag-rebound by Tumbado. Now, Tumbado. Pasok Cueto, 10 seconds to shoot. Pasok Itaib. Now, Landicho,
Napaganda pa. Basket run.
Foul, jersey number 66.
65, 59.
Kitain Floresio, Daya Farm.
Pero yung 820 free throw ni Santos, ha?
Daya
Nakita mo yung
Farm.
nilang dicture na nakapasok.
Malabanan for Kanatiban. First personal foul. Councilor Rubio. And third team foul. Bonus throw given to Mr.
Shout out kay Hener Kalayag. Jennifer Nueva.
O, dito kayo. Ito, dito. Iyo, buhay mo dito. Mermo, dito ka, bilis. Mermo, may nagmamaganda, dini ka, bilis. Jowa, dito ka, nagmamaganda ka. Ano yung kulot?
Bonus throw given to Mr.
Shout out po
Sairo.
kay Kuya John Ray Alimario. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Kuya.
Score 65-59.
Nakadahil tayo dito sa Barangay
Rosario 1,
Ito tayo na imbitahan.
out of bounds. Substitution.
65, 59 pa rin po.
Tumbado for Magnaye.
Semifinals, game 2.
No Santos. Malabanan. Check by Tumbado. Paso lang dito.
Dicho.
Naulan dito.
Napakalapit na nga yung idol. Apat na po.
2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Now, Benson. Back to Benson. Pass down sa position. No Santos. Good for Kira by Santos.
Ang mga fans. Lang Dicho. Five points.
There's a foul. Foul is number 22, black foul. Substitution. Almasan for Landicho. Dayak Moore. Second personal foul, second team foul. On the ball. Benson, pass to Malabanan, pass to 10 seconds to shoot.
Santos 5.
Foul versus number 22. First personal foul. 1 minute penalty. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. 1 and 6. Personal foul. Jerry the second round is for Almasan. Huwag mo lang ang pumasok at di ba nililis ang bola?
Baka hindi. Baka hindi mo binoto.
Now, Pexon. Paso Santos. Paso Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Paso Malabanan. Paso Pexon. Good for 2. 45 seconds remaining. Lagot dagat Paso Santos.
71-64 ang ating score. 30 seconds.
There's a foul. Foul jersey number 6. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Substitution. Landicho for Dueto. Going to the wall, Malabanan. Paso Pexon. Back to Malabanan. Paso Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 2 segundo. Malabanan, Paso Santos. Defense zone. 10 seconds remaining. Paso ng Tincho, stop, drop.
Okay, fourth quarter na po tayo.
Stop, drop, nagod, Ribambay. Now, Nakicho.
Salamat.
Denver Pengson. Now Pengson, Castro, Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a traveling violation sa ipon. Nawad dito. Pasok itayin. It's a traveling violation. Now Pexon. Pass to Zipper. Stop.
Bang! 76! 67 ang ating shot.
Let's go, Krok!
Maganda yung laban natin. Kakain ito ng mga player natin.
Landicho Aragod. Out-bounds. Takes possession. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Last and final quarter. Now, Santos.
Ang haba niyan.
Rebound by Kaya. Pass to. Second pass to Landicho. Now Landicho. Out-bounds. Only one basketball. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Kalawang kitahin, paso tumbalo. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pa-share po ng ating live. Pa-share.
Wow! 70. 8 minutes remaining. Now
Shoutout po kay Idol JR Espinosia ng Japan.
Pass to Benson.
Benson times. Bang! Gandicho to Cueto. Gandicho. Ang hinang ito, Jow.
Cipres. Pass to Benson.
Benson.
Pass to 10 seconds to shoot. Now
Santos. Benson for three. Good. Gandicho. Uy! Shoutout po kay Vincent Merrill Villapandog, pinakamalakas na player ng City of Vincent. Yan, shoutout kay JR Espinosia from Japan, Idol. Magandang gabi na yun. Sakaran, sa lubong mag-uwi.
personal foul. And forcing foul. Kita akan siya basket. The second round,
79-71 ang score natin. Lawang pa rin po dito ang kupunan ni Santos.
7 minutes remaining. Now, Benson. Paso Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on the floor. Foul. Jersey number 27, pushing foul. First personal foul. First team foul.
Shoutout po kay paring Aris Atina. Saka kay Boss Jeteng
Ball the ball, Benson, Paso Santos.
Santos.
10 seconds to shoot.
Ebo.
Change possession. Now Dicho, pass to Esteban. Back to Dicho. Now Esteban big. 10 seconds to shoot. Now Esteban stop. Rebound. Rebound foul. Kita pass to Dicho. Now Esteban stop. Rebound. Same ball.
Same ball.
Substitution. Right now for Esteban. Ratio 49. Shot clock 14 seconds. Cueto, pass to Bado. Back to. Now Cueto stop.
Apat na ba? 79-75. Santos fouls. Bandicho. Isa na po. Isa na. 2 hits to report ni Idol Cueto.
Official score 79-75.
Resume the ball game. Apat po. Apat ang lamang ng Rosarian dito.
8 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for the dirty.
Sarap po kay Salaw, Magnay. Magandang mag-sensor. Score natin ay 82-78. 84-78. Lamang po ang Rosarian. Santos. Shout out kay Amat Bundolya. Mark Hill. Kay Mark Daniel Reyes. Pakikisuyo po, pa-share ng ating live. Last 3 minutes and 48 seconds. 84-78. Lamang po ang Rosarian basketball. Ang kapunan ni Angelo Santos.
Prisoner of Santos is in the basket.
Timeout. 85-86-78. Lumabuna ulit.
Shoutout po kay Benedict Villanueva. Call center agent.
Shoutout po kay Benedict Villanueva. Shoutout po kay Benedict Villanueva. Sabi ni Bossing. Okay, resume the ball game.
Going the ball. Landicho. Pass to Tumbado. Back to Landicho. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Now Landicho.
Nalat ako si Landicho sa 3. Santos. Full check.
Now Landicho.
Landicho. Drives. Basket time.
Foul jersey number 10. 22 Malabanan. Second person.
Shoutout po kay Ronnie. Ronnie. Oy, paring Ronnie, magandang gabi.
Bibigay mo Santos. Bibigay.
Shoutout po kay paring Ronnie Esconde, gabi nyo. Magandang gabi. Ang may-ari ng pinakamaraming buhangin sa Barangay Bungoy.
Bonus ball is out of the basket. 86-80. 6 points lead.
Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Santos. Tinataw-taw na po si Santos.
Foul. Jersey number 17. 40 foul. Resho, you are fourth personal foul. And third team foul.
Ito yung bakbakan dito. Game 2, semifinals. Uy! Uy! Sayang!
There's a foul.
Shoutout po kay Alvin Aseo.
Foul, versus number 17. Foul out. And one for penalty. Automatic substitution.
Shoutout kay Villa Pandolesser.
Personal swing the basket.
Score natin. 87-80. Lumubo na ulit sa pito. Mananalo po dito ang kulay puti. May game pang isa bukas. Manalo ang blue ay laglag na po ito ang puti.
88-80. Napuklaro.
Uy! Shoutout po kay Ervin Mendoza, Villanueva.
2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining.
Angelo Santos. Haras by Landicho.
10 seconds to shoot.
Santos.
Nice call, right? Jerry Anderson. Ball the ball. Now Landicho.
Dicho. Check.
Check foul.
Ay, nauna na to. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 88-80. 90 na pala. 90-80 ang ating score.
2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. 1980. 10-point lead by Rosario Moron.
Nadalawa na kanina. Resume the ball game.
Now, now, Landicho.
Dicho.
Pasok tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Now, Landicho. Stop.
Bang!
83-90, 7-point lead by Rosario Moron.
1 minute and 35 seconds.
11 feet. Bawal na bawal po yan. Yung po.
Illegal pick.
Number 22. Nakabalan. Third personal foul. And 13 foul. Bawal na bawal po tayo. No. Landicho.
Kalat na si Idol. Santos. Wala na. Pinag-aasahan na. 1 minute and 9.
Timeout! Mga bumwan, wala po kayong timeout. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining, 92-83. 9-point lead by Rosario Moron. in favor of Rosario 1.
Landicho. 5 seconds to shoot. Last 55 seconds. 55 seconds. 92-83. Shoutout parang JJ Marine. Dito ito, Barangay Kipot. Oh, yang ganda.
Uwinat, maligaw!
$18 seconds.
Kuya, na your first personal foul.
Shoutout po sa lahat ng manunood dito ngayong gabi.
18 seconds remaining. First na Pangaliban. Start the basket. The second try is out. Rebound by. Foul, jersey number 8. Third and one for penalty. 15 seconds remaining.
Shoutout po 18 million viewers. Next game po natin ay maganda din. Do or die din. Ha? Game 2 rin po. Semifinals. Si Kobe Dalisay ang isa sa involved.
8 seconds remaining.
Congratulations to Rosarian Basketball. Okay, abangan nyo po yung next live natin maya-maya. Maganda din yung ating game mamaya.